As part of the Marape government's vision for economic independence in terms of cutting off all major imports in the country and focusing on downstream processing of raw materials into final products for the agriculture, forestry and fishery sector, Minister Ricard Maru has announced that they are taking the first step in investing in over 15 investment projects over the next 2 years. For a start, Maru had announced that their main focus for the coming months is the 3 projects.
Going to invest with the private sector in building an instant coffee factory in Leh. It's a dairy farm in Leh and one in Sepik. It will cost 120 million kina each to build. Government will only take up to 30% shareholding. The rest we would like to encourage the private sector to partner the government, come on board and invest in these investments.
The first accounting firm, Kpmg, has come on board to complete financial evaluation for the next 6 weeks.
This week engaged a national and very highly reputable accounting firm, Kpmg, to undertake an independent appraisal of the 3 first projects that we want to invest in, which is the 2 dairy farms and the instant coffee factory in Leh. They will do an appraisal on the investment opportunity, look at the viability, the financial viability of the projects, and if they form an independent opinion that these projects are profitable and viable and one that should be recommended not only to government but to private sector investors, the accounting firm itself will produce what we call a prospectus to invite shareholders to invest in these projects.
Maru said the establishment of the 3 projects will replace the import costs.
We need to replace more imports and process all our raw materials to final products.
Maru said it is the government's intention to make investment decisions and called on the private sectors as potential investors to partner with the government on trade and investment.
This is a key policy of our Prime Minister, the Marape government. That's one of the reasons why they created this ministry, to champion the cause. And I'm happy to announce we are starting with the first 3.